So it's kind of just like an introductory thing for my truck. Just a '03 Silverado with a 78, 75 on 3 turbo custom kit that I put together. It's all stainless hot side. It is intercooled with meth injection. I got a Devil's Own Stage 2 kit in my toolbox. Stock 10 bolt with a Lincoln locker in it. Some 29-inch Mickey Thompsons. Just a few other things. Just fun stuff. Cheap stuff. Everything's cheap on this thing. That's the theme of the build. Cheap, and anybody can do it. Don't mind my voice. I'm kind of sick right now. I got the flu. I'm trying not to die. Anyway, look for me down at Cletus and Cars Houston. Be down there doing the drag racing and burnout competition. I really hope to have more footage by the time I go down there. I'm trying to get some video of swapping these new injectors in from Snake Eater Performance. He hooked me up with some thousands. I got a Walbro 525 to put in the tank, and I got some cowl tracks to put on the truck before I go down there as well. So hopefully I'll take some footage doing that, and then I'll try and get some footage on the way down there, and a lot of it while I'm there. Should be a good time, y'all. Just like and subscribe. I'll get some stuff out to you. Thanks.